So here in this question, like we are asked to find the axis of symmetry. So we are given some shapes and with punched hole, and we are asked to like mark the axis of symmetry for each of the shape. So in the first one, like we have like square figure and two holes like are on the like two sides, right? So they are the opposite side. So as you can see, like it can be the axis of symmetry can be easily drawn like this, where this is basically like this axis symmetry divide the whole shape into the two equal identical object, and these objects are images of each other. So this will be like this dotted line is the axis of symmetry for the first case. For the second one, like as you can see, like this is also a square shape, and we have two punched hole like near the one vertex, right? So here, like the axis symmetry will be something like this. Is it kind of diagonal, right? And here, like this symmetry divide this whole object into two equal shapes. In the third, like we can draw this axis symmetry like this. So this is a horizontal line, and this divide this square into two equal part. In the fourth, also like we can also draw like this. So this also is a horizontal line, and this is like dividing this whole shape into two symmetrical object. In the fourth, like we have four dotted line like on the four edges, and we can have the axis of symmetry like this. So that is a vertical line, or like we can have axis of symmetry like this. So both the lines are axis of symmetry, and they are basically they divide this shape into two equal parts. In the fifth part, like we can have axis of symmetry like something like this. So this is a vertical line, and it is passing through this dot, so that it divide the whole shape into two equal like identical shapes. Like in the next part, seventh part, like this is a triangle given. So we can draw this axis symmetry like this, a straight line, right? So this divide this triangular shape into two equal like shapes. In the next part, like we can draw this axis symmetry like this, horizontal line, which divide this triangle into two equal shapes. In the next part, like so here in this we have a triangle, and there are two dots, and these dots are nearby one vertex, right? So we are going to basically like draw the line here. So a vertical line which pass through these two dots, and which basically like create a mirror image. These two sides are now mirror images of each other. In the next one, like we can draw the axis symmetry like this. So these are basically this divide this circle into two equal parts. In the next part, like we can draw the axis symmetry like basically like this. So this divide this circle into two equal parts. We can also like however we can also like draw like this also. So this also like both of these are correct. They divide this circle into two equal object. In the next one, like where we have three dots, like we can divide, we can create a vertical line, and this divide the circle into two equal symmetrical object. So this is how like we can find the axis symmetry into in different shapes.